Hey Taber team, I wanted to show you some shop floor improvements we've made in the last 2 or 3 weeks out in the shop in several different buildings. We've got a metal saw improvement, welding exhaust, locks for custom, and dust bag strapping. So the first one is the metal chop saw. This is before and after. I stole this from an old video. For safety reasons, the panel height was often too low and you could hit your head on there, so that was no good, and the working space itself was just too tight. So maintenance removed the saw. You can see here's the old spaces before. That's the room we had to work with. Maintenance removed the saw and took it outside, right outside the door here, the roll-up door in custom building 3, and now it's underneath the overhang. It gives us more room to work, and it's safer. And there's Armando on the scissor lift. So good thinking by the maintenance department. That was item number 1. Item number 2 were the exhaust system in the welding area of building 5 for metal. So as you walk up into metal, you'll see these big blue, look like big spider legs on the wall. Very impressive and neat looking. So as you walk up on it, I'll show you how it works. If you're an operator at this station, you pull that arm over your exhaust. It'll suck the exhaust up into the filtration system, rather than up into the air. So that is in building 5 in the metal department if you're down there. This third thing were the stands that we use to build projects on. Someone took the initiative to put numbers on them, which I thought was neat, because sometimes they drift away, but now you'll know where to take them back to. Here's kind of an example of what we use them for. They are in several of the buildings, but it's good. It gives it labels the part and you know where to take it back to. Then the fourth thing was strapping for the dust collector bags. This was just this morning. Armin pulled Enoch and I over to show us this concept that he had. Okay, so here's a dust bag, and right now we currently wrap the top there with that plastic wrap several times around. So Armin and Virgilio from Upholstery used some scrap upholstery and put some Velcro on it, and then kind of used it as a belt to tighten it. Instead, it's a lot quicker and it's a good concept. So we'll look to maybe make it a little bit thicker, but good job thinking about that, Armin. And that is it, guys. So 4 new improvements in the last 2 or 3 weeks. Just wanted to acknowledge the people that have been thinking about this stuff, and good job, guys. Keep it coming.